Azerbaijan, cities, sights, and people. I've been traveling all over the world for almost 8 years now, and I can tell you that every country has its own unique atmosphere, culture, and of course, people. Some countries leave a mark on your heart like an imprint of an ancient seal. And today, I'm going to share with you my experience from my recent trip to Azerbaijan. Our first stop was Baku, the capital city of Azerbaijan, situated along the Caspian Sea. It's a vibrant metropolis that perfectly blends modern architecture with historical sites. The moment I arrived in Baku, I felt this energy, this enthusiasm and warmth that made me feel right at home. See, Azerbaijan is known for its hospitality. From the moment I stepped off the plane, I was greeted with smiles everywhere. The locals were incredibly friendly and always willing to help. This welcoming nature of the people truly made me feel at ease and set the tone for my amazing experience in the country. The blend of old and new is so harmonious here that it feels like they exist in their own bubble, untouched by the outside world. One of the first places I visited was the old city or Ikuri Shahor, which dates back to the 12th century. Walking through the narrow cobblestone streets, I felt like I had stepped back in time. The historic walls and towers of Baku stood proudly, silently telling tales of centuries gone by. One of the highlights of the old city is the Maiden Tower. This ancient structure is believed to be one of the oldest buildings in Baku, dating back to the 12th century. Its mysterious past has led to many legends and myths, making it a truly fascinating place to explore. As I climbed to the top of the tower, the panoramic view of the city left me in awe. The vast expanse of the Caspian Sea stretching out before me was truly breathtaking. Another remarkable sight in Baku is the Palace of the Shirvanshahs. This 15th century palace complex was once the home of the Shirvanshahs, the rulers of the region. Today it stands as a testament to their power and grandeur. The intricate carvings and stunning architecture left me in awe. Exploring the different sections of the palace, including the mosque and the tombs, I could feel the presence of history all around me. Baku is also known for its delicious cuisine. During my time there, I got the chance to sample some authentic Azerbaijani dishes. One of the must-try dishes is dolma, which is a traditional grape leaf wrap filled with rice and minced meat. The flavors were so rich and aromatic, it was an absolute delight to my taste buds. I also tried kebab, which is a staple of Azerbaijani cuisine. The succulent meat cooked to perfection was so tender, it literally fell apart. The combination of spices and grilled flavors created a symphony of taste that I couldn't get enough of. As I strolled through the lively streets of Baku, I came across a cozy restaurant tucked away from the bustling crowds. The warm lighting and inviting atmosphere immediately made me feel comfortable. Seated at a table adorned with traditional Azerbaijani patterns, I knew I was in for a treat. The menu offered a wide variety of local specialties, and I couldn't wait to sample them. First up, I ordered the mamoj, a thick and hearty soup made with chickpeas, potatoes, and lamb. It was a perfect comfort food, especially during the cooler evenings. The flavorful broth and tender pieces of meat were so satisfying. Next, I indulged in the Azerbaijani lavash, a thin and crispy flatbread that's perfect for dipping into sauces and soups. It had a wonderful golden glow and a slightly chewy texture that I loved. Overall, my dining experience in Azerbaijan was a true celebration of flavors. Each dish told a story of the country's rich culinary heritage. Next, we explored the Haydar Aliyev Center, a remarkable architectural masterpiece designed by Iraqi-British architect Zaha Hadid. The fluid lines and futuristic design of the center are truly mesmerizing. Inside, it houses a museum, a library, and various exhibition spaces. We also went on a day trip to the Gobustan National Park. This incredible place is home to thousands of rock engravings dating back thousands of years. Exploring the park, we marveled at the petroglyphs depicting various scenes from ancient life. It was humbling to witness these prehistoric works of art and connect with our ancient ancestors through their creations. Our journey took us to another gem of a city, Guba. Situated in the foothills of the Greater Caucasus Mountains, Guba is a city of unparalleled natural beauty. Our stay here was nothing short of magical. We had the pleasure of staying at a local homestay, where we were welcomed as part of the family. The hospitality was exceptional and we felt right at home. Our host even taught us how to make traditional Azerbaijani tea, which was a delightful experience in itself. The cozy and rustic atmosphere of the homestay allowed us to fully immerse ourselves in the local culture. Exploring Gubad city was like discovering a hidden treasure. The streets were adorned with charming wooden balconies and colorful tiles. Every corner we turned revealed a new picturesque view that made us stop and admire the beauty. One of the main attractions in Guba is the Yeti Gumbes, also known as the Seven Tombs. This complex consists of 7 domed tombs, built in the 14th and 15th centuries. The unique architecture and historical significance made it a must-visit destination for us. We also explored the beautiful Juma Mosque, which dates back to the 19th century. The mosque's grand arches and intricate designs left us in awe. It was a peaceful oasis in the bustling city and a great place to learn more about the Islamic traditions and culture. Guba is also renowned for its carpet weaving heritage. We had the opportunity to visit a local carpet workshop where skilled artisans demonstrated the intricate process of creating these exquisite pieces. The vibrant colors and intricate patterns of the carpets were truly captivating, and we learned about the symbolism and techniques involved in their creation. But what truly stole the show was the Gabaharaj, a unique type of carpet native to the region. The Gabaharaj carpets are hand-woven masterpieces known for their exceptional quality and durability. The wool used in these carpets is locally sourced, and the dyes are made from natural materials, giving them a distinctive look and feel. The artisans in Guba have passed down their carpet weaving skills from generation to generation, preserving this ancient craft as an integral part of their cultural heritage. The Gabaharaj carpets are not just functional pieces of floor covering, but true works of art that reflect the creativity and skill of the Gabian carpet weavers. Their timeless designs and superior craftsmanship have earned them recognition both nationally and internationally. Our time in Guaba was filled with exploration, cultural immersion, and most importantly, unforgettable experiences. Sheki is often referred to as the Switzerland of Azerbaijan due to its picturesque landscapes and stunning natural beauty. Nestled amidst snow-capped mountains and verdant hills, Sheki offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. As soon as we arrived in Shaki, we were captivated by the town's unique charm. Cobblestone streets lined with well-preserved historical buildings transported us back in time. The air was filled with the scent of fresh flowers and the sound of birdsong, creating an idyllic atmosphere that made us feel rejuvenated and at peace. We had the privilege of staying at a cozy guest house that played a vital role in shaping the cultural landscape of Sheki. The guest house was more than just a place to stay. It was a hub of cultural exchange and a testament to the town's rich heritage. Our hosts were passionate about sharing their knowledge of Sheki's history, art, and traditions. They welcomed us warmly and made us feel like part of their family. The personal touch and attention to detail made our stay truly special, and we cherished the opportunity to connect with the locals and learn about their way of life. One of the most iconic landmarks in Shaki is the Sheki Khan's Palace. This magnificent palace, also known as the Sheki Sarai, is a masterpiece of 18th century architecture. The palace's intricate facade, adorned with elegant carvings and stunning stained glass windows, left us in awe. Stepping inside, we were transported to a world of luxury and grandeur. The palace's opulent interiors, complete with ornate chandeliers and exquisite tapestries, showcased the former ruler's wealth and power. The Sheki Khan's palace is not only a testament to Azerbaijan's rich history, but also a symbol of the country's cultural heritage. Another notable attraction in Shaki is the Kish Waterfall. It's located near the town. This picturesque waterfall cascades down moss-covered rocks. It's creating a mesmerizing sight that soothes the soul. The surrounding lush greenery adds to the serenity of the Kish Waterfall, making it a popular spot for nature lovers and photographers alike. As we strolled through the streets of Shaki, we couldn't help but notice the vibrant murals that adorned many of the buildings. These colorful artworks depicted scenes from the town's history and folklore, adding a touch of whimsy and charm to the streetscape. Shaki truly embraces art as a means of beautifying its public spaces and preserving its cultural identity. Sheki is also famous for its delicious cuisine. During our stay, we had the opportunity to sample some of the local delicacies. One of the must-try dishes is Sheki kebab, a traditional Azerbaijani barbecue. The succulent chunks of meat marinated in a blend of spices and herbs were simply mouth-watering. Another specialty is sheki halva, a sweet confection made from flour, eggs, and sugar. The halva's unique texture and rich flavor made it a delightful treat for our taste buds. In conclusion, our trip to Azerbaijan was an extraordinary adventure that left us with unforgettable memories. From the bustling streets of Baku to the tranquil beauty of Shaki, each city had its own unique charm and attractions. We explored ancient sites, immersed ourselves in local culture, and indulged in delicious cuisine. The warmth and hospitality of the people of Azerbaijan truly made us feel at home. We highly recommend visiting this hidden gem of a country and experiencing the magic of Azerbaijan for yourself.